Hello, gentlemen. This is Stephen John Smith. I'm from California. Today we're here only for you. Today we will discuss about the most popular topic: how to make money online. In this video, we will elaborate the proper methods which you can earn money from internet. Guys, today we discuss about the most popular keywords, the Fiverr. Firstly, we introduce about what is Fiverr, what types of services Fiverr provide you, and how you can able to generate money from internet. The guys first we elaborate you some things. A small interface introduction about the Fiverr. Fiverr is the marketplace. It's available in different languages like English, Spanish, French, Dutch, Italian, German, and trademark is FWRR. Headquartered in the Israel, services provided in worldwide. Founder is the Shawnee Winger, and it's a commercial website registered and launched in the 1st February 2010, 12 years ago. Current status is active and very excellent. Fiverr services to allow listing and applying small one-off jobs or gigs online. Job listed on the platform are diverse and range from get well design business card to help with HTML, JavaScript, CSS, and jQuery. Fiverr is a company built on the model of listing temporary work possible freelancing work in the variety of workplace range from home to office. Fiverr services as the commerce platform to freelance and companies to sell their services by using the gigs. The price of gigs depend and how much a sellers earn from complete history. Fiverr was founded by Mitchell Kufam and the Shai Wingers. The founders come of the concept of marketplace that would provide two-side market for people to buy and sell variety of digital services typically offer of freelance contracts. Services offer on the sites include writing, translations, graphic design, video editing, and the programming. Each services offer is called gig. Fiverr services start US $5 and can up to thousand of dollars with the extra gigs. The website was launched in February 2010 and by 2012 was hosting 1.3 gigs. In December 2013, Fiverr released their iOS app, Apple App Store, and in March 2014, the company published their Android app in the Google Play Store. In October 2015, Amazon.com start legal action again. Uh, 11,000 Fiverr sellers claim provide fake review on the US version of its website. Fiverr did not dispute Amazon allegation and state and Amazon note we have worked closely together to remove service that violate our terms of use and respond promptly to any reports of inappropriate content. Amazon filed suit after an undiscovered sitting in November 2015. Fiverr announced that it has raised US 60 million in the Series D, a round of funding led by the Square Peg Capital. The round brought their total funding to date 1.10 millions in June 2019. uh, and on February 18, the company report 189 million revenue from 2020 fiscal years, 77% increase from the previous fiscal years. In 2017, Fiverr acquired video creation marketplace. In January 2018, and CEO maker of software freelance was acquired by Fiverr. Then CEO Micha confirmed this is video for useful for you. Thank you very much.